Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up a mobile hotspot on your Samsung Galaxy S22, S23, S24, or even newer, maybe even S25 phone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the setting gear button. So you may have to scroll up on the phone and then select the gear icon if you don't have it on your home screen. And just basically just going into settings and select network and internet. And now you want to select the hotspot and tethering button. So at this point, you can go ahead and enable Wi-Fi hotspot by just toggling that to the right in here to turn that on. You can also turn on Bluetooth tethering for your Samsung device as well. And if you click the back arrow up here and then select internet, you may be able to add another network provider. So if you do Wi-Fi, you can go ahead and add a network in here. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, how to do it. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.